in Chevy Chase, Maryland, you can see a lot of progress has been made. Before we go and take a look at what's going on in the existing kitchen, wanted to talk to you a little bit about how we set up every job at Case. You can see there's a lot going on with the openings and the floor. First thing we do on every job is we protect the existing floors. We don't want to make a mess of your house. On this side, there's some fixed plastic. We're not doing any work in the dining room, so that's a good way for us to try to keep as much dust out as possible. On this side, there's a zipper door because we're going in and out to move the kitchen over here. So when we're not here, we keep it closed. When we need access, we can unzip it. So again, kind of keep the dust as controlled as possible. So that's a little bit of a brief overview of how we start all our jobs. Let's go take a look at what we're doing in the old kitchen. So we're back here in the existing kitchen, and you can start to see it take shape. Behind me over here is going to be the powder room. The plumbing and electrical is pretty well roughed in. Drywall is going to start soon. Over my shoulder to the right is where the butler's pantry is going to be. That'll service the dining room. And then in front of me right here will be the mud room. So that'll be a lot of great storage for the homeowners. You can see behind me, there's still a kitchen here, even though we're taking it out. What we want to do is make it as easy for you to live through remodeling as possible. So the refrigerator is still plugged in. It works, even though we had to move it to accommodate the powder room. Sink, dishwasher, stove, all still functional. So it's really about finding ways to make living through remodeling as easy for you as we can make it. At some point, all of this stuff is going to have to come out, but it's going to do that at the last possible second. We're here in the existing living room. A lot has been demolished. The entire ceiling is gone. We wanted to add a lot of recessed lights, so instead of cutting a bunch of little tiny holes, it was actually more efficient to take the whole ceiling out. You can also see the built-ins around the window are gone to accommodate the space for the refrigerator, the prep space, and the pantry. Let's go over here and take a look at what we're doing on the back window. The plans for the new kitchen include a big L workspace of cabinetry and countertop. That includes a sink under the windows here. As you can see, the windows used to be down at this level, which is too low to accommodate the cabinets and countertops, so we had to raise those up. So we found this great company that did a really good job of getting as close to the original window mullion design as possible to keep in the character of the house. So now we'll be able to fit all of our cabinetry, countertop, sink, faucet, everything we need here. The next time you see this space, we'll be talking about cabinetry. It'll be a huge transformation. Things will start looking more like a kitchen in here instead of just a demoed workspace. It'll be really exciting. So we hope to see you then.